Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be making the Admiral's Orders, a mocktail that was featured here at Captain Gregory's. This mocktail is going to feature a tea backbone, a little bit of bite coming from the shrub that'll give you a little bit of vinegar bite, and then some sweetness coming from our Rosemary Ash. Ash will also give a little bit of char that will be reminiscent of a bourbon. If we were to compare the Admiral's Orders to a regular mocktail, you're looking at something like a whiskey sour. All right, our cocktail today is going to feature 2 ounces of black tea. Brew that at home with a little bit of cardamom pods, add a little bit of backbone to it. Then we're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of our Rosemary Ash. It's gonna be equal parts sugar, water, and some charred rosemary. Then we're gonna do a 1/2 ounce of our grilled apricot. That's just gonna be equal parts apple cider vinegar, sugar, and some grilled apricots. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and shake this up. Stop into Captain Gregory's or Railbird Kitchen all January for these and other mocktails on our menu, as well as January 10th through 16th, we'll be participating in Alexandria's low and no proof Old Town Cocktail Week. There you have it, guys, our Admiral's Orders.